Alright, so this is my unboxing, showcase and early impressions for the Limit smartwatch. As you can see on the front of the packaging, we have smart calling, heart rate monitor, activity tracking, sleep monitor, sports mode, call and text notifications. Got a 2-year guarantee too. Taking a look at the back of the box, we can see a couple of different color variants. We've got a dark blue and a pink. We've also got 2.5D glass with a full touch 1.8-inch screen. It's got a water resistance rating of IP67, and you've got up to 5 days battery life. So quickly taking a look at some of the features. From the left, you can see your commonly used apps. From the top, you can see some very basic but necessary functions. From the bottom, we can see notifications in text form. And swiping from the right, you can see the telephone, activity, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, your nighttime data, and your walking data, and your weather data, alarms, and there's like this little Siri ball that you can interact with too. On the wrist, I would say it does feel quite comfortable. It's a super lightweight watch. Haven't weighed it yet, unfortunately, but that rubber band is like just super light, and I do really like the Limit clasp on there. And yeah, it is showing up a bit dim there, but in reality, it's not as bad as it looks there on the video. It's pretty nice. Here we can see what the back looks like. Not terribly exciting, but you can see the Limit logo there, as well as some other information. Now I'm just going to take you around the watch, just so you can see the side profile in every angle. So there's a bit of a chunk to it, but it's not too bad. It's not too overbearing to look at. But, the rubber straps pretty much go in every direction. As you can see, they're flopping down on the bottom and then straight over the other edge. But yeah, it's quite a nice watch though, I would say, as smartwatches go. It's obviously a budget watch, but it does look pretty cool. So here we can see the Limit app that you can download on iOS and Android. Obviously I'm using a foldable, so it will look a bit different on your other phone, possibly. And yeah, pretty basic stuff. You can change the watch faces and things like that. And go into your settings and tweak it how you like. But pretty basic stuff, but yeah, all your notifications there. You can have an absolute ton of them. Obviously, it's not quite Apple Watch, but it's something. So stay tuned for the full review, coming very soon when I have had some decent amount of time with this watch. If you've got any questions at all, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.